solve some of your biggest pain points when it comes to cleaning around your home. And I'm using, yes, this Dollar Tree kid broom, just $1.25 for this gem. You know the story Goldilocks and the Three Bears? Papa Bear is just too big for the job, and Baby Bear is just far too little for most jobs. Enter Mama Bear. She is just right. And these bristles are just the right texture, sturdiness yet softness, all in one. It's approximately the length of my forearm. It has a handy dandy clip on the end so that you can easily store it. And what's even better, it comes with a dustpan. But of course, we're not going to use this as an actual broom. That would be boring, right? This is a cleaning and organizing hack channel if you're new here. There are very few tools that fit behind your toilet, and I don't know about you, but I have 2/3 boys, and oftentimes the aim is not the greatest. I do love to use my O-Cedar mop. Nothing in this video is sponsored, and Dollar Tree is not paying me to say this, but as you can see, the mop head does not fit behind the toilet, and lots of things like to accumulate in there. In comes Mama Bear. Just grab yourself a microfiber towel. This one is from Amazon, but Dollar Tree has some amazing ones, and I love the awesome cleaner. It works great. It has a nice light scent, kind of like Windex, I would assimilate it to, and you can spray down your little broom, and this fits perfectly behind your toilet. So if you have any lingering smells in your bathroom, perhaps it's this little area back here that accumulates dust, grime, and, well, human things. Look at that, right behind the toilet, all that it was able to pick up. Satisfying but disgusting all at the same time. Make sure you get yourself a new microfiber towel. How about your vents? This one here in my kitchen accumulates a ton of dust. Again, put that microfiber towel on the end. You can spray the surface directly, or you can just spray it on your towel. Do whatever you prefer. You can control the amount of moisture better if you spray it on that microfiber towel. Go around, clean all the return vents in your house. You are going to be so happy with the results of this. You're going to be able to breathe better. You can see just this vent right here, how much dust it was able to pick up. And you do not have to get down on your hands and knees in order to do this. And that's the best part about it. And it's super effective. How about those blinds? I hate cleaning blinds. It's such a pain in the butt. So oftentimes when I finally get around to this job, I have quite a bit of dust on there. Oh yeah, you can get in all those nooks and crannies with this. A Swiffer duster works fantastic. However, those can get a bit pricey, especially when you are changing out the feathered head, so to speak. So this works wonderfully, and just clean out your microfiber towel, throw it in your washing machine on a warm or cold wash, and you can use any sort of regular detergent that you want. I do like to tumble dry mine low. Avoid any fabric softeners if at all possible when it comes to microfiber. And you can see here, oh, my blinds are so dirty. Can you imagine if I went around my entire house what this would really look like? I try to dust my blinds with the change of seasons. We have 4 seasons here in Minnesota, and this windowsill is so nasty. We live outside of a pond, so things like to accumulate outside. Spraying down the sill here with that LA is totally awesome, and you can get in all those small spaces. This works amazing. Where has this been my entire life? Thank you, Dollar Tree. I am loving you. Oh my word. Satisfying, disgusting, and I feel like I'm breathing better already. After this video, you are going to want to go around all of your windowsills and see how much dirt and dust that you can collect. Maybe not, but at least you have an idea for a great tool that you can use. Oh my, look at how clean this looks. I am loving this. Super satisfying, super motivating, and it was so quick and easy. No need to spend your precious dollars on Amazon windowsill cleaning tools. And then if you just want to get in those nooks and crannies a little bit more, I love a little cotton swab. It works perfectly. Get it a little bit wet so that more things will cling to it. It's almost as satisfying as cleaning your ears out. Going in with a new microfiber towel for our next job. You can also use this same strategy in between your sliding doors. How about the bathtub? We have a lot of baths going on in our house, but it is not the easiest thing to clean. Oftentimes I like to clean the inside of the tub with my cedar mop. How about the outside of the tub? Typically I'd have to get on my hands and knees, reach over there, maybe get in the bathtub to clean around it, but this tool has just extended the length of my arm, which I love, which makes cleaning your bathtub so much easier. Try this in your shower as well. Baseboards and windowsills. I particularly love this on the baseboards. You do not need to buy a baseboard buddy, which is very popular on Amazon. I own it, and I do think that it works great. I've shown it in previous videos, but this fun little mama bear contraption works just as well. This fun little vacuum is actually from Temu. I love it. I use it almost every single day to clean out the inside of my garbage can, but you can also use this Dollar Tree tool to get down in all of those nooks and crannies. You can clean the inside of any sort of garbage can or the outside to make it look good as new and, of course, make it smell amazing. Dollar Tree's Window Clean. I love this product. I use it all the time around my house. You can use it as a multi-surface cleaner as well. Maybe you have some tall windows in your house that you need, just an extra arm to be able to reach up high. I know that I do, and this works fantastic. My windows are now squeaky clean. This is another neglected area in my house. Those cleaning jobs that you tend to put off. Let me know in that comments box below what cleaning jobs you tend to put off. Oh, and this is just from the windows. I did flip this around from the baseboards. Geez, I didn't realize how dirty they actually are. Gross. You can also use this for dusting, so grab your favorite Dollar Tree dusting spray or just use your microfiber towel. That works just as well. And yes, I did not realize how dirty my windows were. You can use this in your bathroom. You could use this inside of your shower if you had a shower glass door. Clean any sort of lamps, clean anything up high. You could clean the underside of your fan blades. And then last but not least, did you drop something underneath the seat of your car? It's hard to find the right tool to get anything that you dropped underneath there. Oh, and don't mind how dirty my vehicle is. We recently got back from a camping trip with my 4 children. Never lose anything underneath your car seats again. Let me know in that comments box below what your favorite hack was using the Mama Bear. Also, if you have not signed up for the weekly cleaning and organizing newsletter, make sure that you do. It is linked in that description box below, completely free. Also, if you want to see some more Dollar Tree genius gems and finds, click this video on screen now. But if you want some Dollar Tree organizing tips, tricks, and hacks, where my team and I organize a 650 square foot, 1-bedroom apartment, click this video. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.